Today's story is A Helping Hand. Last week, I was walking home from the market when I saw an elderly woman struggling to carry her heavy bags. She looked tired, and I thought I should help her. But then I hesitated. What if she doesn't want help? I told myself. I must ask her first. I walked closer and said, "Excuse me, ma'am, may I help you with your bags?" She smiled and replied, "Oh, thank you, that would be wonderful." I picked up her bags and asked, "Where should I take this?" She pointed down the road and said, "It's just a few blocks away." I could manage, but it's very kind of you to help. As we walked, she shared stories about her grandchildren and her garden. I listened carefully and thought I must visit my grandmother soon too. When we reached her house, she said, "You must come inside and have some water." I smiled and replied, "Thank you, but I should go now. My family might be waiting for me." She gave me a warm smile and said, "You ought to visit again. Young people should be kind like you." As I walked away, I felt happy. I thought we must always look for ways to help others. This experience taught me that a small act of kindness can brighten someone's day. And we can use modals like may, should, must, and ought to express our intentions and responsibilities.